Cricket wireless text messaging issues with SMS and MMS often stem from a few key areas. As a mobile virtual network operator using primarily Verizon's network, Cricket can be affected by Verizon outages. Network congestion, especially during peak hours or at large events, can also lead to message failures. Incorrect APN settings are a common culprit, preventing your phone from properly routing MMS messages. Incompatible messaging app versions or outdated carrier settings can further contribute to the problem. Lastly, ensure you have adequate network signal strength. Weak coverage can block messages entirely. This is the most important consideration when first trying to solve any text message issues. First, check your network signal strength and ensure mobile data is enabled for MMS messages. Next, verify your Cricket wireless APN settings are correct and reset network settings on your device. On Android, go to Settings, General Management, Reset Network Settings. On iOS, use Settings, General Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset Network Settings. Ensure your messaging app, such as Google Messages or iMessage, is updated to the latest version. Restart your phone or toggle airplane mode to refresh the connection. If using Wi-Fi calling, disable it temporarily to test cellular messaging. If problems continue, contact Cricket Wireless support for network-specific assistance.